Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Designed by Ann, Handcrafted. This is part 2 of our hosta recovery efforts. We've relocated that hosta, the one that had received heat damage from the sun from 100 degrees or more. So this is in our new landscape here. This is in a fully shaded area. It gets a little bit of sun, but not quite as much. And again, as I mentioned, the other hosta that I had did pretty well. So I am looking forward to this one thriving here as well. Little fern right behind it. And so that was the first one. The other one is not quite as large. I had to do a lot of pruning back, but this one will return full and vibrant as well. You know, plenty of water in the garden. Just water it down and you'll see some results there. So thanks again for watching, and if you have any questions again about DIY garden projects, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below or go to my website and leave it in the garden blog. Hope everyone have a blessed weekend. Take care now.